Yep. Hey guys, I'm at the Milwaukee media event taking a look at this M12 Rotary tool. It weighs about 1.2 pounds with the battery, and Milwaukee says it's about 30% more powerful than other rotary tools on the market. What I like about it, it's got a couple of cool features. It has a push button, 12-speed, kind of a variable speed switch here, and right here is a tool-free collet release. So you just twist this and lift it, and this becomes your wrench, so to speak. Your collet lock is right here, and you just turn it, and then you can take this out. And then you want to put it back in and twist it. Pretty sweet, pretty cool. It's going to sell for $129 as a bare tool and $199 as a kit. It'll come with one battery and a charger, and it's coming out in Q4.
Q4 of this year, yes sir.
Q4 of this year. Check it out.
Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go.